Welcome to the M-Series round extension collar installation video. Before installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is off. For this installation, you will need a hole saw, screwdriver, measuring tape, drill with pH 1 or pH 2 bits, wire cutters, and wire nuts. And for DMF products, you will need the M-Series housing, extension collar, modules, and trims. Locate and install the housing into the joist, stud, T-bar, or hat channel. Before installing the ceiling, route the building's electrical supply wires through the junction box. Splice the electrical wires to the bare wire leads in the junction box according to local regulations and install the quick connect included with the module. Close up the ceiling, then locate and cut the opening for your fixture. Prior to installing the collar, loosen the two wing nuts in the housing. Align the collar locking feature to the two wing nuts in the housing and push it into the ceiling or housing opening until secure. Ensure the collar locking feature clicks firmly onto the screw. Adjust the collar to the desired height and tighten the two wing nuts. Ensure the collar is flush with the bottom of the ceiling. Align trim onto the module and turn the trim clockwise until secure. Note that the trim must be securely attached to the module. Connect the ground wire pre-installed on the module to the ground wire terminal in the housing. Connect the female connector on the module to the hardwire male connector installed in the housing. Push the module and trim evenly into the collar until the spring clips engage and the trim is flush with the ceiling. As always, the M-Series is plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. The M-Series, our most versatile product offering.